Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. We are on week 4 of our renovation and I haven't given you an update in about a week because not a lot was happening. We had 3 inspections. We had the plumbing inspection, the electrical inspection, and then we had the building inspection. So today really was the first day that real work was done again. So I have something to show you. And I think now we're kind of into like the finishing stage of the renovation. So I think every day now there will be more and more stuff to show you. So today I was gone for the first half of the day. And when I got here, look what was sitting in the middle of the master bedroom. It is a wet saw for cutting tile. This is a foreshadowing here. Nothing happened over on the closets today. We will be getting to the drywall stage soon, but the wet saw, which means the tile work got started today. So that's super cool. Look at all the little spacers are in our tile. These are really big tiles. They are 12 inches by 24 inches. I like big tile because I don't like grout lines too much, so I'd rather have big tile. And I love how it's neutral. We'll see how everything comes together in the end, but I'm excited not to see wooden floors anymore. So let's take a quick look over at the shower because some work was done over here too, and I kind of missed the first part of the day, so I didn't really get an update on everything that really happened today, but that's where at the corner, that's where our shower seat will be. I'm lucky I still have open studs here to kind of film between because otherwise I wouldn't have anything to show you from here. So then we just kind of look down that way, down on that side. That's where, on the right, that will be where the toilet goes, and on the left, the little framing for our little closet. So things are moving along. I'm kind of excited about that. I have no idea how long it's still going to take before we're done. And then of course we have things like the glass shower door and the closet organizers. So we still have a little ways to go. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I will give you another update probably tomorrow because they're coming back tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.